Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodman from Forex Trading for Beginners. I've been inspired, as you know, recently. I've been inspired to share my love, my knowledge. I've been inspired to learn from others. And sometimes it comes with great communication by other people, that new ideas just come amongst us. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Trade Like Jeff, Bouncing Pips. It may be renamed in the future, but I'll show you right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is TradingView software. TradingView, which you can get free, but all the colors and everything is proprietary technology. What we've got here, ladies and gentlemen, lots of information. Yeah, but I'm going to bring your attention to this here. This is the opening of the day in Sydney. So if you're in Sydney, Australia, New Zealand, Southeast Asia, or North America, this is a good time to trade. In fact, any time is a good trade with the bouncing pips. Trade like Jeff. Simple, it's clear. We have a matrix. Market opens. First question we have to self, what color is the line? Green. The candles are green, the background is green. And with a green there, we simply make a buy. And as we hit a red zone, we exit the trade. So I'll show you one. Do a long into there. Stop loss. I would always say under the wick, to be honest. And as soon as it goes red, let's see how that we're there. Now that's 0.7. Not great, ladies and gentlemen. But first trade, yeah, that's us. Yeah, it goes down. So we do that there. Next trade idea is coming. It's here. This is on the 3-minute time frame. Heikinashi candles. Rules. Matrix background. Green. Early entry. Ninja up. Boom. So the plan here is to pass FTMO in a day. Obviously, I've got to pass more than one day. But apart from that, getting the ninja down. Next candle. Close. 3.34%. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. We have a ninja down. We have a red line. But the matrix is still green. So what do? Well, we actually know overall, at this point, on this time frame, we are in an uptrend. Yep. And this is this moving average with a change of direction. Yeah, so you've got that there. You can also do that there. Here we go. Down, back up. Still green, green, green. Here we go. It turns green, ladies. It turns green. Oh. Here we go. Where is it? Where does it turn green? It turns green right there. So we've got that there. We have the background is green. We've got a green line, got an early entry up, and we're above this trend. Absolutely amazing. Where's the wick? The wick is there. Red candle, 2 candles. Boom. 2.31%. 3 trades, 3 wins. Thank you very much. Now, for those people that have been sitting on the fence, joining, connecting with me, really wanting to trade but fearful, I'll give you a 7-day free trial, ladies and gentlemen. It can't be better than that. Green background. We get an up zone. We got a green. We simply buy. Stop loss. We have a wick. 2 red candles. Boom. 6% growth. Thank you very much. I'll extend that. It comes down, bounce off that, red, but green. Green. Green background, green line, green candle, ninja up zone, boom. We have nothing. We have a small wick there. Second candle or a ninja, boom. 3.96%, boom shagala. Don't tell the world. Join me instead. Red zone, red line, red candle, red down. Change to a short. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't see value for money, if you don't see a chance of passing FTMO, 3-minute time frame, high Kanashi candles, Ninja Matrix software, Ninja Cater, the trade like Jeff, bouncing pips. Boom. It just keeps dropping. You get back in there, we'd exit the trade, but you just keep going. Exit the trade. Ladies and gentlemen, 10%. And that is only 8 a.m. since the market opened, but it's UK time. So what would I have gained? What is my profit with a trade like Jeff bouncing pips? As it bounces, it bounces, it bounces, it bounces, it bounces, it bounces, and it. Here we go. 7.71 plus that. Let's call it 4%. 5, 5.3. Call it 5. Plus 6, 11. Plus 4, 14. Plus 10, 24%, and it's only 8 in the morning. For those people that are ready, for those people that put the hand up, don't just like, comment, say, comment, I want to trade like Jeff, and I'll give you access to the technology, a 7-day pass, completely free of charge. Not just me. I have to be honest, much more qualified educators than myself. Educators that have been around a lot longer, have a lot more skill. For me, I believe in simplicity. One line. That's the line. That's the money line, ladies and gentlemen. And I made it bounce, bouncing pips. We're using the matrix. We're using the Ninja Cater. I don't know about you, but on a 3-minute time frame, for the people that might only have 15 minutes, half an hour to trade, can you see how easy this is going to be for you? Green background, green line, boom. Now, this is not 100%, there's nothing is, because we could have some news or something that could take us out a little bit. That's why we have a stop loss. If you're unsure, but you have an interest, just drop a comment. I want to learn to trade like Jeff. 7-day pass, or even 7-day pass. So it's goodbye from me. It's goodbye from bouncing pips for now. If you want in, you know what to do. Leave the comment below, and I'll see you